I mau dulu. I
had been a student.
Oke.
Had I been a student? I had not been a student. Or I hadn't not. I hadn't a student.
Binnya aku buang.
Been a
Ulangi.
student.
I hadn't
I hadn't be a student.
been.
I hadn't been a student.
Oke.
Had I not been a student? Or hadn't I been a student?
You
You had been a student. Had you been a student? You had not been a student. Or you hadn't been a student. Had you not been a student?
or
Or you hadn't you been a student?
Chris
Chris had been a student. Had been
Had Chris
had
Chris
Chris
been
been a student.
Chris
Chris had been
hadn't
Chris
not
had not been a student.
or
Chris hadn't been a student.
negatif interrogatif. Had Chris
Had Chris not been a student, or hadn't Chris been a student?
they
They had been a student. Had they been a student? They had not been a student. Or had they
hadn't
be a student.
been.
Been a student.
Ulangi. They hadn't been.
They hadn't been a student.
Had they
Had they
not
been a student, or they
hadn't they
they not hadn't they been a student?
Oke. We
We had been a student. Had we been a student? We had not been a student. Had we been or we hadn't been a student?
had we not
Had we not been a student, or hadn't we
hadn't we
hadn't we
been.
not been a student?
Oke. You and I
You and I had been a student. You and I been a student. You and I had not been a student. Or you and I hadn't been a student. Had you and I been not
Ulangi. Had you
had you and I not been a student, or hadn't you and I been a student?
Chris and Fatima
Chris and Fatima had been a student. Hadn't had Chris and Fatima been a student? Chris and Fatima had not been a student, or Chris and Fatima hadn't been a student. Had Chris and Fatima been a student, or reason
tadi hadn't.
Chris and Fatima not be a student?
Kenapa hadn't tambah lagi not? Hadn't Chris and Fatima.
Hadn't Chris and Fatima not
Kenapa nah? Hadn't me, not me.
Chris and Fatima have been
Enggak usah hadn't Chris and Fatima been.
had Fatima
Hadn't Chris
hadn't Chris and Fatima
been.
been a student?
You lagi, you had been.
You had been a student.
Hmm.
Had you been a student? You had not been a student. Had you or you hadn't been a student? You
Had you not?
be a student?
Kenapa Nabi? Had you
Had
you not
you not
had you not been
you had not
no, had you not been
had you not been a student
or
hadn't you not
eh
hadn't you been a student
ya hadn't you been a
a
student.
student